How to see hidden videos on YouTube channel. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. For this, launch your preferred browser on your device. In the search bar, you need to search for youtube.com. Now once you are in here, make sure to select an account of your YouTube. Now if you have your YouTube channel, you can easily view the hidden video. In order to do so, just tap on the three horizontal line. Then from the list of options, select on your videos. In there, tap on continue. Now you will find all of your hidden or the unlisted videos that is not visible to public but you. You can edit it or delete if you want to. You can just tap on to view it. You can share it with the close friends that you trust. However, you have to provide them the access. Now, if there is a question about if you can view others' hidden videos or unlisted videos, the answer is simply no. Due to the privacy and safety policy of YouTube, you will not be able to check out any of the video that is hidden by the creator of it. Which wraps up the video as well. We hope that you found this informative and helpful to you.